Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Instagram post in Canva in 2026. Whether you're designing a post for your business, personal account, or brand, Canva makes it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign in to your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, click the search bar at the top and type Instagram post. From the search results, select Instagram post. Canva will open a new design with the recommended square post size. On the left side, you'll find a wide range of ready-made templates. Browse through the collection and click on any template you like. If you prefer, you can also start with a blank design. Now customize your post. Click on the text boxes to replace the sample text with your own message. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. To add your own photo, click Uploads, select Upload Files, choose an image from your computer, and add it to the canvas. Resize and position the image as needed. You can also open the Elements section to add icons, shapes, illustrations, frames, or stickers to make your design more attractive. If you'd like to change the background, click the background and choose a different color, gradient, or image. Canva automatically saves your work while you edit, so you don't need to save it manually. Once your Instagram post is ready, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PNG for the best image quality and click Download to save the post to your device. That's it. You've successfully created an Instagram post in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.